So this is my Firstwave Trophies, and what I need to do is probably turn on the lights so you can see the full effect of these. So just give me a second, I'll go and turn on the lights. That makes them pop out a bit more. Well, it looks like I'm just doing the last lot of boxes out of the machine, so that must finish up the job there. The Firstwave trophies that I've got here are ones that I designed myself. Up in the corner there at the top left, you'll see that there's a trophy hanging off the side. That's the one I actually went in and won an award for, because this innovation in trophies was a new technique. All these trophies here, they flat pack and it makes it easier to transport them. I've got a lot of different designs now. The latest ones that I do are the carving ones. Hopefully I can bring the camera a bit closer and we can see them a bit more close up. Alright, so the two black awards there that you see, those ones are the ones that I won a trophy for that type of trophy there. So if I can get a bit of focus on that one, then there's my company motto, inspire a champion. And we can just see the trophies that I won an award for. They're called Firstwave. It's my design. I came up with the wave shape and the style and the way it fits together. The options that you can do is you can do graphics. The pig that you see there is actually carved in with a CNC, so it's one of the latest pieces that I've been doing. When you look at it closely, it's got depth in it. The light that comes from the bottom gives it a bit of a shine. Here it is without the light on it, but you can see that it's a three-dimensional carving into the acrylic. Then when you put it on the light, you see the shine come on the belly and it lights up. So that's one of the latest ones that I'm doing, which has got a CNC cut. I've done a fish, I've done a beer jug, a stein. The Harlequin one is quite interesting there, in that when you look closely at this one, you'll see that the letters look to be in a different plane. That's because some of them engraved on the back and some of them engraved on the front. It's a very unique sort of way of doing a dimension. I suppose you'd call it like 2.5 dimensions. It's not full 3D shaped like the pig, but you can see that there is a depth in the trophy. I've got a few different designs. I can do imagery, I can do colors with my lights. This level down here, what I'm hoping to do is release these smaller ones as a STEM project for the schools, so that they can learn how to engrave these sorts of trophies, how to make them. I just want to inspire them. That's all I want to do, just inspire them. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.